Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best welding rods available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Forney Welding Rod. The product is 5 pounds 3/32 6013 Weld Rod. All-position welding general-purpose rod for shallow penetration or in poor fit-up conditions. The low spatter and excellent slag removal, virtually self-cleaning in vertical down fillets. You can use on all types of mild steel where ease of operation and good appearance is required in all positions. And ideal for vertical down welding. You can use for all types of mild steel fabrication. At number 5 we have Gardner Welding Rod. The product is pound 1/8 6013 Weld Rod. This excellent wetting action yielding smooth and flat beads with steady arc with either AC or DC. You can use on all types of mild steel where ease of operation and good appearance is required in all positions. And ideal for vertical down welding. At number 4 we have Forney Welding Rod. All-position welding low hydrogen rod for general purpose AC applications requiring low penetration and can also be used on DC+. It is designed for welding head-enable steels on projects involving hard-to-weld steels. Also including thick sections and restraint joints with cracking issues. It is ideal for general fabrication of cold roll steels. At number 3 we have a lexlink welding rod. There is no need to use other flux powder with aluminum alloy as the welding core and coating is the salt base. This low-temperature copper aluminum welding rod is made of premium non-toxic odorless and durable copper and aluminum. It is designed with full and smooth welding effect because the item comes with internal powder-grade weldability and corrosion resistance, high thermal conductivity, high electric conductivity and excellent processing performance. At number 2 we have Zonin Welding Rod. You will get 100 pieces of plastic welding rods in various colors, such as green, blue, yellow, red and white, 20 pieces for each color. It feature with PPR, PP and PVC-3 plastic materials which are durable, tasteless and reliable, acid-proof and corrosion-proof, safe to use, and can serve you for a long time. The double strip structure cross-section which is not round shape. The welding rods has nice electrical properties and high-frequency insulation from humidity, not easy to wear or age. At number 1 we have Forney Welding Rod. The Forney Supercoat hard-facing specialty welding electrodes are excellent low-cost rods for moderate abrasion and low-impact application in all positions. It can be forged and provides a crack-resistant weld. It features a smooth arc action and easy slag removal. This typical applications include surface buildup on new or worn machine parts of cast steel and manganese steel. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best welding rods for your need.